Good morning. You are welcome to addition and subtractions of sort. This is part of the operations of sort, the additions and subtraction. You're welcome to Olusegun Maths Clinic. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. So in solving the questions of these forms, you must simplify step by step. How do you simplify? We have 2 times root 54 will give you 9 times 6 plus root 4 times 6 minus root 36 times 6. So this is how to simplify sort. So after this root, you now be splitting it to root 9 root 6, root 4 root 6, root 36 root 6. So which will give you 2 times root 9 times root 6 plus root 4 times root 6 minus root 36 times root 6. So, and we all know the value of root 9 to be 3 times root 6 plus 2 times root 6 minus 6 times root 6. Therefore, so we have a 6 times root 6 plus 2 times root 6 minus 6 times root 6. So we try to expand, try to bring it in one order. So which is 6 root 6 plus 2 root 6 minus 6 root 6. So therefore, in view of this, we try to combine it together. You realize that 6 root 6 plus 2 root 6 minus 6 root 6. These two will surely negate because they are of same of different signs. So the final answer will give you 2 root 6, telling us that 2 root 54 plus root 24 minus root 216 will surely give you 2 root 6. So that is how to simplify sort. And we still have another example that show a better simplifications of sort, which we are going to solve now, and also give you a classwork that you are going to practice that will surely make you to have a better understanding of how to simplify sort. This is second example, which talks about simplification of sort down to addition and subtraction of sort. You also simplify the same way you did the first example, which is 3 times root 25 times 5 minus 5 root 4 times 5 plus 3 root 16 times 5. So therefore, we have 3 times root 25 times root 5 minus 5 times root 4 times root 5 plus 3 times root 16 times root 5. So we are going to be solving this step by steps. So which we have 3 to multiply 5 times root 5 minus 5 times 2 to multiply root 5 now plus 3 times 4 times root 5. So we observe that there is root 5 common in the all values. So therefore we have 15 to multiply root 5 minus 10 to multiply root 5 plus 12 to multiply root 5. So let's try to add the addition together and the subtractions are together, which we have the 15 plus it will give you 17 root 5 minus 10 root 5. And sorry, this is 27 root 5 minus 10 root 5. And the 27 root 5 minus 10 root 5 will give you 17 root 5. So telling us that 3 root 125 minus 5 root 20 plus 3 root 80 will surely give you 17 root 5. So these are the example. We are still going to do another valuable examples that will let us to know the secret behind the additions and subtractions of surd. How do we manipulate it and how do we really get the answer when we are given a question? So let's wait to the third example. We are here to explain this, the third examples of the additions and subtractions of surd. In expatiating this, we have 2 times root 4 times 2 minus 3 to multiply root 16 times 2 plus 4 to multiply root 25 times 2. So this is the best explanatory simplifications of additions and subtractions of surd. So which we have 2 to multiply root 4 times root 2 minus 3 to multiply root 16 times root 2 plus 4 to multiply root 25 times root 2. So we have 2 times root 2 minus 3 times 4 times root 2 plus 4 times 5 times root 2. So we try to remove the square root of 4, the square root of 16, and the square root of 25. So we have 4 to multiply root 2 minus 12 to multiply root 2 plus 20 to multiply root 2. So you remove the multiplication to have 4 root 2 minus 12 root 2 plus 20 root 2. So in view of this is 4 root 2 plus 20 root 2 will give us 24 root 2 minus 12 root 2. So the final answer here is that 24 minus, because root 2 is common, we can use this method to say root 2 is common to remain 24 minus 12. So which will be root 2 to bracket 12, which is the same thing as 12 root 2. So this is the beginnings and the ends of simplifications of surd under the additions and subtractions of surd. So now we want to give you a classwork where you will help us to practice and you also give us the answer in a comment section. So this is the classwork. So the first one is root 12 plus root 3. You simplify, you add them together, you write your answer in comment section. Root 3 root 2 minus root 18. The third one is root 45 plus root 20 minus 8 root 5. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, this YouTube channel, and share this video to those you believe they might need it and they might not have opportunity to see the way you are seeing it now. So share this link to everybody. So thanks for taking your time to watch this video.